Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, yesterday we broke the record high of 95. Today we also hit 95, but we were just 1 degree short of tying the record of 96. So yeah, we felt that heat and humidity today. Currently we're at 90 degrees at Robstown and Kingsville, 96 Alice, and 89 right now at Ingleside. Corpus Christi still sitting at 91 degrees at this hour, and the heat indices in the upper 90s and just over 100 in our inland area. So that humidity came right back up yesterday and today, but it is going to come right back down. Our southeast winds are with us today, up to about 17 miles an hour. Those die down a little bit tonight. This is 10 o'clock tonight, and then watch. Here we go again. Our cold front starts to move in early in the morning tomorrow. There's the wind shift. Before 6 in the morning, we'll already see it in our northern counties. The winds will become gusty in the morning. You may notice that wind early in the day, rather gusty, 20 to 25, and then it starts to come down a little bit as we get into later in the afternoon. But all in all, that is going to usher in some much milder air for tomorrow. So tomorrow, to sum it up, best chance of rain is in the morning, and then it's breezy and mild and mostly cloudy in the afternoon, and temperatures tomorrow stay in the 70s. It's going to be very mild compared to today, and those showers, the best chances in the morning, already tapering off by 1 o'clock and dry by early evening. So here's an hourly look at that with Future Tracker. Tonight, again, we're dry up until early morning. This is 5 o'clock in the morning. What I want you to notice here is the yellow through the red colors. Those indicate the moderate to heavier rainfall, and you can see some of those thunderstorms that could bring some heavy rain in our inland areas as we head into the early morning tomorrow. So if you're one of those that has to get off to work early in the morning, you might be driving through some of this if you live inland, so you may want to watch for ponding on roads and may have to go a little slower. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. I also want you to notice how the coastline doesn't see very much rain here. It's just very light showers, and it looks like as these continue to move toward the coast, they're going to die down. So that means the heaviest amounts of rain will be inland, much lighter coast, temperatures in the 70s. By mid to late morning, the rain's already tapering off, and by afternoon, it's just breezy, mostly cloudy and mild. A look at rainfall projections with this. They're still right around 1 inch to 2 inches inland. Look at this Beeville. You could pick up 1 inch and 7/10, but notice how it drops off to just 1/4 inch at Robstown and only under 1/10 of an inch closer to the coastline. So again, and the watershed is here, so good news to see some of that heavier rain over the watershed with this, but not all of us are going to see that. So an overview of what's going on. First of all, here's the cold front coming through in the morning. You see this low over the Yucatan Peninsula? That's a tropical wave, and that has a 40% chance of developing as it moves into the Gulf by early weekend, by late this week and early this weekend. So that looks like it may develop further as that continues to move north. So as the front moves through, here's where it is now, still sitting north of San Antonio and Austin. It drops into Corpus Christi tomorrow morning. We get that rain early, the cool breezes pick up, and then we dry out a little bit. Now there's still going to be some lingering moisture Thursday that may cause a couple of showers. I left that 20% in for Thursday. Then we head into Friday and the weekend. There's that tropical wave. Models are taking that east of us, and that front's going to help because it wipes it to the east. You can see how it goes to the northeast, not affecting us, but we get back into that very warm, humid air for the weekend. So the weekend's looking hot, but here comes our next front. That moves in Monday around midday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So tomorrow's mild, so is Thursday in the 70s. Still quite a few clouds around Thursday, just a slight rain chance. Friday we start heating back up into the 80s. Nice day Friday, and for Friday evening football games it looks good. And then next Monday we have our next chance of rain with our next cold front.